Yeah. Hello, good morning, students. How are you today? Hopefully that you are healthy and happy. Okay, first of all, before we start our lesson, it's better for us to pray to our mighty God. Kita berdoa dulu kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Kuasa. Ya. Praying, begin. Berdoa dulu ya, berdoa sesuai kepercayaan masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai ya. Oke, finish. Udah ya? Oke. Praying is very important. Berdoa itu sangat penting ya. To start our lesson. Untuk memulai pembelajaran kita. Why? Kenapa? Karena mungkin dari berdoa itu kita nantinya diberi kemudahan dalam mendapatkan ilmu pengetahuan seperti itu. Oke. It is small thing but very important. Ini hal kecil ya, tapi sangat penting. Okay, for those students who are not joining now, yang belum join sekarang, they may watch the video, this video I mean, nanti mereka bisa nonton video yang ini using my YouTube channel, menggunakan YouTube channel Mister. Oke ya. Please prepare your book. Dipersiapkan bukunya, both learners and activity book. Dipersiapkan dulu. Oke. Have you prepared your book? Udah dipersiapkan belum bukunya?
Udah.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Okay, students, let me tell you something. Mister kasih tahu ya ini ya. This is very secret, sangat rahasia ya. Do you know what? Mr. Darus today, today is Mr. Darus' birthday. Yeah, do you know what? Today is Mr. Darus' birthday. Hari ini ulang tahun Mr. Darus ya. That secret, rahasia. Aduh. Oke, let's start our lesson. Kita mulai pembelajaran kita. You may open your book page, what page? Page 88. Learner's book. Learner's book.
Mister boleh sambil makan nggak?
Boleh, boleh. Open your book, your learner's book ya. Learner's book page 88. 88. Halaman 80 dah. 8. Ya. The story is about Charlie and Chocolate Factory. Jadi ceritanya itu tentang si Charlie dan pabrik coklat. Oke. Are you ready? Udah siap belum? Ya. Oke. Let's read it together. Coba kita baca sama-sama ya. Let me play the audio. Mister putarkan audionya. Wait. This one.
Track 32.
From Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. Charlie and his family.
Charlie Bucket was a young boy who lived with all his family, 6 grown-ups, in a small wooden house on the edge of a great town.
Ya, kedengarkan suaranya?
kedengeran.
Ya.
Kedengeran.
Ada ya suaranya tadi ya? Ada yang orang ngomong? Ya. Jadi Mister jelaskan ini. Charlie Bucket was a young boy. Jadi si Charlie Bucket ini anak muda who live with all his family. Jadi tinggal dengan keluarganya.
The house wasn't nearly large
Yeah.
enough for
Ini ya, mereka itu tinggal berenam di small wooden. Small wooden itu rumah kayu. House on the edge of the great town itu di pinggiran kota.
all his family, 6 grown-ups, in a small wooden house on the edge of a great town. The house wasn't nearly large enough for so many people, and life was extremely uncomfortable for them all.
Jadi the house wasn't nearly large. Jadi rumahnya itu nggak besar. For so many people, untuk banyak orang, and life was extremely uncomfortable. Jadi mereka itu tinggal itu nggak nyaman for them all, untuk mereka semua. Okay. And then next, nih kita putar lagi audionya. Okay.
Mr. Bucket was the only person in the family with a job. He worked in a toothpaste factory, where he sat all day long at a bench and screwed the little caps onto the tops of the tubes of toothpaste after the tubes had been filled.
Jadi Mr. Bucket adalah the only person in the family with a job. Jadi hanya Mr. Bucket yang punya pekerjaan di keluarga itu. He worked in a toothpaste factory. Dia itu bekerja di pabrik pasta gigi, where he sat all day long at a bench, yang mana dia itu duduk di sepanjang waktu di bangku, and screw the little cap, yang ini tutup toothpaste itu pasta gigi, on the top of the tube of toothpaste. After the tube had been filled, setelah pasta giginya tadi diisi.
But a toothpaste cap screwer is never paid much.
But a toothpaste cap screwer ini pengepul dari pasta giginya itu is never paid much, nggak pernah bayarnya banyak.
So there wasn't even enough money to buy proper food for them all.
Jadi so there wasn't even enough money to buy proper food for them all. Jadi mereka itu bahkan nggak bisa, there wasn't enough money, nggak cukup uangnya to buy proper food, untuk membeli makanan yang tepat for them all, untuk mereka semua. Makanan yang baik, makanan yang layak maksudnya ya. Proper food.
The only meals they could afford were bread and margarine for breakfast.
Jadi the only meals, makanan yang mereka bisa usahakan, were bread itu roti, and margarine, mentega, for breakfast, untuk makan pagi.
Boiled potatoes and cabbage for lunch.
Boiled potatoes, kentang rebus, and cabbage for lunch. Cabbage itu kubis untuk makan siangnya. And cabbage soup, dan sup kubis.
And cabbage soup for supper.
Okay. And then next.
And the one thing Charlie longed for more than anything was chocolate.
Jadi and the one thing Charlie longed for more than anything was chocolate. Jadi yang paling sangat disukai Charlie dari dulu itu adalah tidak lain tidak bukan hanya coklat.
Even worse, in the town where Charlie lived, there was an enormous chocolate factory.
Lebih buruknya lagi, in the town where Charlie lived, di kota di mana Charlie tinggal, there was an enormous chocolate factory. Enormous itu besar. Chocolate factory itu pabrik coklat yang besar.
In fact, it was the largest and most famous in the world.
Faktanya, in fact faktanya, it was the largest, paling besar and most famous in the world, yang paling terkenal di dunia. Ya, gak bisa itunya stop ininya, ulang lagi ini. Oh, share computer sound. Wait, yes. And then lagi.
One day, it so happened that Willy Wonka, who owned the factory,
Jadi one day, suatu hari, it so happened, ini terjadi, that Willy Wonka, namanya itu Willy Wonka, who owned the factory, pemilik dari pabrik coklat tadi,
announced that he would invite the 5 lucky children who found the golden tickets hidden underneath the wrapping of his chocolate bars to visit his factory.
Jadi announce itu mengumumkan that he would invite, dia akan mengundang the 5 lucky children, 5 anak yang beruntung, who found the golden ticket, yang menemukan golden ticket, hidden underneath the wrapping of his chocolate bar, yang bersembunyi di bawah, underneath itu di bawah, wrapping itu bungkus coklat bar, to visit his factory, untuk mengunjungi pabriknya.
Not only that,
Tidak hanya itu, not only that,
but they would all receive a gift of sweets and chocolate to last a lifetime.
Tidak hanya itu, but they will all receive, dari mereka itu semua akan menerima a gift itu hadiah, of sweets, manis, and chocolate to last a lifetime. Jadi mereka itu akan menerima coklat seumur hidup mereka. Wow, itu ya. Siapa yang mau coklat? Nobody want. Ya, oke, next.
Well, of the 5 children who won, Augustus Gloop was one, and, believe it or not, Charlie was another.
Ya, well, of the 5 children who won, dari 5 anak yang menang, yang pertama itu yang menang Augustus Gloop namanya, and was one, and believe it or not, percaya atau tidak, ya percaya atau tidak, si Charlie ini menang juga itunya, kompetisinya tadi, dia mendapatkan golden ticket, sehingga si Charlie ini bisa mengunjungi pabrik tersebut. Oke, and then next.
Track 33.
Inside the factory, the chocolate room.
An important room, this, cried Mr. Wonka.
An important room this. Ini adalah ruangan yang penting, teriak Mr. Wonka. Cry itu bisa menangis, tapi ini konteksnya lebih ke teriak ya.
Taking a bunch of keys from his pocket and slipping one into the keyhole of the door.
Jadi, taking a bunch of key, jadi ada banyak kuncinya, bunch of key. From his pocket, dari kantongnya, and slipping one into the keyhole of the door. Dan dia itu ngambil, slipping itu menyelipkan, memasukkan kuncinya into the keyhole of the door, memasukkan ke lubang kunci.
This is the nerve center of the whole factory.
This is the nerve center, artinya itu ini adalah jantung dari a whole factory. The whole factory itu keseluruhan pabrik. Ini adalah jantung dari keseluruhan pabrik. Nerve itu nadi ya bisa ya. Berarti ini adalah nadi utama dari keseluruhan pabrik. Seperti itu.
The heart of the whole business.
The heart of the whole business itu adalah jantung dari seluruh bisnis. Then
Mr. Wonka opened the door.
Mr. Wonka membuka pintu. Cekrek. Ya.
5 children and 9 grown-ups pushed their ways in.
Mr. Wong, terus 5 children, 5 anak, and 9 grown up, 9 orang dewasa, pushes their ways, mendorong pintunya tadi.
And oh, what an amazing sight it was that now met their eyes.
Terus, oh, what an amazing sight it was that now met their eyes. Jadi, betapa menakjubkan pemandangan yang mereka lihat sekarang. Seperti itu, ya. After that,
They were looking down upon a lovely valley.
mereka lihat ke bawah, they were looking down, mereka melihat ke bawah, upon a lovely valley. Mereka melihat lembah yang sangat indah. Wah, seperti itu ya, sangat menawan.
There were green meadows on either side of the valley.
Ya, jadi there were green meadows. Meadows itu padang rumput. Wah, ada padang rumput di setiap sisi dari lembah tersebut.
And along the bottom of it, there flowed a great brown river.
And along the bottom, di bawahnya itu, paling bawah of it, dari valley tadi ya, there were flowed, mengalir, a great brown river. Jadi sungai yang coklat, sungai yang berwarna coklat. Ini diindikasikan si coklat tadi mengalir di sungai. Ini berarti sungai coklat.
What is more, there was a tremendous waterfall halfway along the river.
Jadi what is more, yang lebih mengagumkan lagi, there was a tremendous waterfall. Ada waterfall itu air terjun. Wah, ada air terjun yang sangat mengagumkan. Halfway along the river, di setengah jalan menuju ke sungai.
A steep cliff over which the water curled and rolled in a solid sheet and then went crashing down into a boiling, churning whirlpool of froth and spray.
Ya, terus yang mana setiap air, cool itu ada ini, cool itu kayak keriting-keriting itu, and rolled into a solid sheet. Jadi berguling solid sheet menjadi bagian yang solid, bagian yang keras. And then went crashing, habis itu jatuh, kan ada air terjun tadi, jatuh, crashing itu jatuh, down into boiling churning. Jadi menjadi pusaran, jatuh menjadi pusaran. Whirlpool itu pusaran air, froth and spray. Dia itu berbuih dan memuncar. Seperti itu. Wow. Ini waterfallnya itu terbuat dari coklat. Kalian, you can imagine that what a tremendous waterfall is it. Sangat mengagumkan ya. And then,
Below the waterfall, and this was the most astonishing sight of all,
ya, below the waterfall, di bawah waterfall, air terjun, this was the most astounding sight of all. Ini adalah pemandangan yang paling menakjubkan.
a whole mass of enormous glass pipes were dangling down into the river from somewhere.
Jadi a whole mass of enormous glass pipe. Jadi ada seluruh besar ya, glass pipe itu pipa dari gelas besar sekali. Were dangling down. Dangling down itu beruntai.
Mister, halaman berapa?
Halaman 88. Halaman 89 sekarang. Page 89, Learner's Book. Learner's Book ya. Learner's Book. And then next.
high up in the ceiling. They really were enormous, those pipes.
Jadi mereka tadi beruntai di atas, up in the ceiling. Ceiling itu langit-langit. They really were enormous. Enormous itu sangat besar. Those pipe. Jadi pipanya tadi dari gelas, dari kaca. Gelas itu kaca ya.
There must have been a dozen of them at least.
There must have been a dozen of them at least. Pasti ada mungkin lasunan. There must be, itu ada mungkin lusinan dari mereka, dari pipa-pipa tadi.
And they were sucking up the brownish muddy water from the river and carrying it away to goodness knows where.
Ya. Terus, and they were sucking up. Jadi mereka itu pipa-pipa tadi menyedot the brownish muddy water. Jadi kecoklatan, air kecoklatan yang agak berlumpur-lumpur coklat tadi from the river, dari sungai, and carrying it away, dan membawanya to goodness knows where, ke tempat yang baik. Okay, next.
In the meadows, there were thousands of buttercups.
Ya, graceful trees, ada pohon yang anggun, and the bushes were growing along the riverbank. Ada rumput-rumput yang tumbuh di sepanjang riverbank itu, di pinggiran sungai. In the meadow, di padang rumput, there were thousands of buttercups. Ada di padang rumput ada ribuan buttercup itu gelas mentega.
There! Cried Mr. Wonka, dancing up and down and pointing his gold-topped cane at the great brown river.
Ya. There, kata Mr. Wonka, dancing up sambil dia joget-joget, and down pointing his gold top, sambil menunjukkan gold top can, tebu, ya, tebu, at the great brown river, pada sungai yang coklat.
It's all chocolate. Every drop of that river is hot, melted chocolate of the finest quality.
Jadi it's all chocolate, itu semua coklat. Jadi sungainya semua jadi coklat. Every drop of the river, setiap tetes dari sungai itu is hot melted chocolate. Coklat panas yang meleleh, of the finest quality, dari kualitas yang paling terbaik.
The waterfall is most important.
The waterfall is most important. Itu means air terjunnya itu sangat penting.
Mr. Wonka went on. It mixes the chocolate. It churns it up. It...
Oh, sampai mana tadi? Oh, the waterfall is...
pounds it and beats it. It makes it light and frothy.
Ya. Terus Mr. Wonka went on. Ya, itu datang. It mix the chocolate. Mix itu mencampur coklatnya. It churns it up, it pounds it and beat it. Jadi dia itu bercampur-campur and beat it, dan memecahkannya. Oke. It makes it light and frothy. Itu akan membuatnya light itu bercahaya and frothy itu berbuih.
No other factory in the world mixes its chocolate by waterfall.
Ya. No other factory in the world makes its chocolate by waterfall. Nggak ada pabrik di dunia ini yang mencampur coklat dengan waterfall, air terjun.
And do you like my meadows? Do you
And do you like my meadows? Apakah kamu suka padang rumputku?
like my grass and my buttercups?
And do you like my grass? Apakah kamu suka rumputku? And my buttercup, mentega gelas mentega.
The grass you are standing on, my dear little ones,
The grass you are standing on, rumput di mana kamu berdiri,
is made of a new kind of soft, minty sugar that I've just invented.
Jadi grassnya itu terbuat dari made of a kind of soft, dari sesuatu yang lembut, minty, mint, sugar, gula ya. That I've just invented, baru saya temukan.
I call it swudge. Try a blade. Please do.
I call it swatch. Swatch itu janjinya, tapi namanya itu diberi namanya swatch. Try a blade. Coba pedangnya katanya. Oke, next. Wait, kita putar teks selanjutnya.
Track 34.
Augustus Gloop's accident.
Automatically, everybody bent down and picked one blade of grass. Everybody, that is, except Augustus Gloop.
Ya, tadinya coba. Wait.
Augustus Gloop's accident.
Automatically, everybody bent down and picked one blade of grass.
Ya, jadi otomatis setiap orang bend down itu menunduk and pick one blade of grass. Jadi mengambil pedang rumput.
Everybody, that is,
Semua orang, except Augustus Gloop, kecuali Augustus Gloop.
except Augustus Gloop, who took a big handful of chocolate from the river.
Who took a big handful of chocolate from the river. Yang mana dia itu mengambil handful itu segenggam, segenggam penuh coklat dari sungai.
When Mr. Wonka
Oke, kita next.
turned round and saw what Augustus Gloop was doing, he cried out,
Ketika Mr. Wonka berbalik dan melihat Augustus Gloop, apa yang dilakukan si Augustus Gloop, he cried, dia itu berteriak, "Oh no, please," katanya, "Oh, August, tolong."
"Oh no! Please, Augustus, please! I beg of you not to do that!"
I beg of you, saya mohon jangan lakukan itu.
My chocolate must be untouched by human hands.
Coklatku must be untouched, nggak boleh disentuh by human hand, oleh tangan manusia.
Augustus, called out Mrs. Gloop.
Augustus, kata Mrs. Gloop.
Didn't you hear what the man said? Come away from that river at once.
Didn't you hear what the man said? Apakah kamu dengar apa yang orang itu katakan? Come away, jauh-jauh dari river, dari sungai itu.
This stuff is fabulous, said
This stuff is fabulous. Barang ini sangat luar biasa, kata Augustus tadi.
Augustus, taking not the slightest notice of his mother or Mr. Wonka.
Jadi, taking not the slightest. Jadi dia itu tidak mendengarkan sedikit pun apa yang dilarang oleh his mother, ibunya, dan Mr. Wonka.
Gosh, I need a bucket to drink it properly.
Gosh, katanya, I need a bucket. Malahan dia itu butuh ember katanya, to drink it properly, untuk meminum coklatnya tadi. Saking greedy, ya. Next.
Augustus, cried Mr. Wonka,
Augustus, teriak Mr. Wonka.
hopping up and down and waggling his stick in the air.
hopping up and down and wiggling his stick in the air. Jadi dia itu menggayung-gayungkan tongkatnya di udara sambil mengancam Augustus tadi.
You must come away. You are dirtying my chocolate.
You must come away. Kamu harus jauh-jauh. You are dirtying my chocolate. Kamu mengotori coklatku.
Cried Mrs. Gloop. Augustus! Cried Mr. Gloop. But Augustus was deaf to everything except the call of his enormous stomach. He was now lying full length on the ground with his head far out over the river, lapping up the chocolate like a dog.
Terus, but August was deaf to everything. Jadi si Augustus ini tuli dengan segala sesuatu, except the call his enormous stomach, kecuali dengan panggilan perutnya. He was now lying full leg, jadi dia itu berbaring on the ground with his head far out over the river. Jadi dengan kepalanya itu di sungai, lapping up the chocolate like a dog, menjilat-jilat seperti anjing.
Augustus! Shouted Mrs. Gloop. You'll be giving that nasty cold of yours to about 1 million people all over the country.
Ya, Augustus, teriak Mrs. Gloop. You'll be giving the nasty cold of yours. Jadi kamu akan memberikan kotoran to about 1 million people, ke jutaan orang all over the country, di seluruh dunia.
Be careful, Augustus, shouted Mr. Gloop. You're leaning too far out.
Be careful, hati-hati Augustus. You are leaning too far out. Kamu itu terlalu jauh dari sungai. Leaning too far itu berarti dia itu terlalu jauh ke tengah sungainya itu.
Mr. Gloop was absolutely right. For suddenly there was a shriek, and then a splash, and into the river went Augustus Gloop, and in 1 second he had disappeared under the brown surface.
Yeah. Mr. Gloop was absolutely right. Jadi Mr. Gloop itu tadi benar ternyata ya. For suddenly, tiba-tiba there was a silk. Silk itu jeritan. Mungkin dari si Augustus tadi. Gitu ya. And then a splash. Splash itu kayak ceburan. And into the river, ke sungai, when Augustus Gloop. And in 1 second, dan dalam waktu beberapa detik, he had disappeared, dan dia itu menghilang under the brown surface, di bawah apa namanya, surface itu kayak permukaan ya, di bawah permukaan yang coklat. Okay, student, this is the story of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Ini mungkin cerita dari Charlie dan Chocolate Factory. Okay. The moral value of the story is don't be greedy. Jadi moral value-nya itu of course ya, jangan serakah. Kita itu nggak boleh serakah, kita itu nggak boleh tamak. Ya, itu dan moral value-nya. Ya kan si Augustus ini kan nggak memikirkan lagi tentang pabrik itu, sehingga dia menjilat-jilat semakin jauh dan akhirnya tercebur. Oke, next for the homework, untuk PR-nya ya, for the homework you may open your book page nih ya, page 70, activity book. Activity book. Have you open up your book? Udah dibuka belum bukunya? Page 70. Page 70. Task 2 and 3. Latihan 2 dan 3 itu ya. And then for page 71 itu text 4, latihan 4. And then for page 72 task 1. Latihan 1. Okay. We just read the text. Kita udah itu ya, baru aja kita membaca teks tadi. Of course, if you are listening to the story and listening to the explanation without reread it, I believe that you can answer it immediately. Pasti kamu bisa menjawabnya ya, tanpa istilahnya tanpa membaca teksnya ulang. Kalau kamu mendengarkan Mister tadi pasti bisa menjawabnya. Yang page 72. Okay, students, maybe this all for me for today. If I have any mistakes, I do apologize, and see you next week. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Next week we will have our second and third daily examination. Ya. Nanti minggu depan itu kita ulangan kedua dan ketiga. Ya?
Oke.
Daily examination. Okay? Bye. Love you guys. Bye. Okay.